Hi, good morning traders. Welcome to Quantsap and welcome to pre-market analysis. So let's try to go ahead and analyze some pivotal data points in the market and get ourselves prepared for the trading session today. So let's see where the SGX Nifty is quoting right now. So when I saw it, it was quoting positive. So if we see SGX Nifty, it is trading at 18,338 and it is positive by 0.3% almost. So today is monthly expiry day. So when the expiry day happens, when the DA is over, end of the day, always look at the rollovers on the expiry day. But talking about the option gain level, okay, so option gain level for Nifty, if you just see option gain, which shows us where exactly option sellers are making the most money. So if you see for today's expiry, option gain for Nifty is placed at 18,250 and its equilibrium level is placed at 18,428. If we just look at Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, again, the gain level is placed at 42,600 and equilibrium level, it is placed at 42,386. Now coming towards the analytics, okay, so what happened yesterday, we saw a good momentum happening around 1:30 p.m. के बाद से we saw a good momentum happening in the market, but there was again a sharp correction which happened as well. So now talking about what stocks contributed towards the Nifty, or I would say, what were the stocks which were in focus yesterday? It was ICICI Bank, SBI, HDFC Bank, and Bajaj Finance. So basically, financial stocks are something where a lot of action is coming in. If we talk about the sectorial contribution, just look at this. Just private banks are contributing, NBFCs are contributing, and PSUs are contributing positively. Rest all the sectors, IT, FMCG, you talk about oil sector, they are dragging the index down. Now coming to the analysis on Nifty, so if you see the historical build-ups, it has just witnessed one short build-up since 11th of November, just one short build-up. The rest the dips in Nifty were owed to long unwinding. So you can say not a lot to worry about right now, because yesterday as well we saw there was very small correction happening in the market in the closing period. The correction was sharp, but it was not very humongous. But anyways, now if you see, it has seen yesterday as well a long build-up in Nifty, so that says us that not a lot to worry about right now. Now talking about Nifty, where it is quoting right now, so it is quoting exactly where the highest call is. So Nifty is exactly where the highest call writers are. So Nifty giving breakout from this level, so Nifty sustaining anything above 18 325 330, and Nifty sustaining higher from them, we might see a good up move happening in Nifty, because all these call writers most preferably will get trapped if Nifty sustains above 18,330 and above. So now talking about the chart specific action in Nifty. So again, if we see over here as well, this is where pivotal level is. So Nifty is, see, it has still a room to move upwards till 18,475, and typically a low of 18,150 is where we might expect Nifty to take a support. Now talking about same analysis on Bank Nifty front. So Bank Nifty looks a bit more lucrative, because just look at this, it has witnessed a lot of longs, that with significant quantum, just couple of shorts over here followed by a few short covering scenarios as well. Then just look at this, what happened is in Bank Nifty, if you just look at the absolute quantum, what is happening? Whenever there are long build-ups, the quantum is significant. Whenever there are short build-ups, the quantum is very less. That tells you that, okay, whenever bulls are going active, they are going with huge quantity, but whenever shorts are coming in the system, the quantity is very, very less. Now, if we talk about Bank Nifty, so yesterday as well, we had posted this couple of times. So what happened yesterday is, see what happened yesterday is, Bank Nifty was at equilibrium where the highest call and put strikes were placed. But what happened with Bank Nifty was that yesterday Bank Nifty opened positive. It sustained higher from this level, right? It kept on moving higher. So all these call writers, they got trapped. So now talking about the current day, what is happening in Bank Nifty? So immediate resistance, if you see where the call writers have created their positions, so 43,000 is the level where significant call writing is happening, and 42,500 is typically the level where highest put writers are. So this is the range of Bank Nifty, what one should expect. So from the current level and up move up to 43,000 and 40 to 500 is the level where we might expect support. But over here in Bank Nifty, keep your strategy in such a way wherever you find a dip. Bank Nifty, whenever it goes on a dip around the level of 40 to 500, where the highest put writers are, somewhere around that zone, somewhere in that regime, you try to capitalize, okay, on the to buy it on a dip. Now talking about Bank Nifty's chart. So if we just see Bank Nifty. So see what's happening is Bank Nifty is breaking R1, right? So Bank Nifty taking out yesterday's high, which exactly, where the highest call writers are. So Bank Nifty breaking out the high and sustaining above it. Then we might see again up move happening in Bank Nifty. So very simple over here. Bank Nifty is clearly seeing, small consistent up moves happening in Bank Nifty. Now coming to what moved exactly yesterday, what were the sectors that moved yesterday? So if you see, it was all about PSUs which were positive yesterday. Pharma and metal, they all witnessed a long build up. What's in short? So IT sector is typically witnessing a short build up. So now coming towards the stock of the day. So our first pick would be from the PSU basket, which is Bank of Baroda. So see a lot of greens and blues indicating a lot of positivity. There were a couple of short build-ups happening in Bank of Baroda, but then again, just look at the quantum of these shorts. The quantum is very marginal. So Bank of Baroda sees significant long and few dips owed to long unwindings, which shows us that, okay, the stock has a lot of bulls active in it. Further, if we just check Bank of Baroda's open interest, if we just check this, so in today's expiry, Bank of Baroda is approaching its highest call, where the put writers are betting, okay, be it a very small quantity, but they are betting, but the call writers are unwinding. If you check the next expiry, so see what's happening in next expiry. Bank of Baroda is exactly at its resistance. So anything Bank Nifty gives a breakout from here and sustains higher, it might cruise even further. So now talking about Bank of Baroda on charts. So if you just see Bank of Baroda. Okay. So Bank of Baroda, if you see again similar kind of situation like Bank Nifty. So again, today's high is the level where you should wait to break out and Bank Nifty to sustain above it. And similar thing is what we saw in options OI of the next series expiry as well. So Bank Nifty breaking out this level 170.30, 171, 172. Bank Nifty's Bank of Baroda sustaining above it. It might continue cruising higher till the level of 175 and 180. So now this was the first pick. Now coming to the second pick, it would be from the IT pack, HCL Tech. So HCL Tech, if you see, a lot of IT stocks have witnessed a lot of short build-ups, but despite that, it has not witnessed a lot of shorts, right? And it has not witnessed even a lot of dips happening in this counter in HCL Tech. Now coming to HCL Tech, okay, so HCL Tech, if you just see this expiry data, what is happening? A lot of call writers are getting trapped and it is trading above its significant highest call as well. Now talking about HCL Tech, so what is the level what you should watch out for? So let's say HCL Tech. So if you see this high is when this high gets broken out, let's say if HCL Tech sustaining above 1,116, 17, we might see good move happening on HCL Tech from there as well. So talking about the ban data, which stocks are in ban, there were not a lot of stocks, okay, in ban when I checked. So there is only one stock which is in ban list, which is PNB, no possible entrance and no possible exits. So yes, folks, thank you so much for joining me up till here. So let's summarize once what we understood. So Nifty does not have a lot of short build-ups. That does not worry us a lot. And 18,300 is the strike price where highest call writers are. So market breaking and sustaining above that level will lead to a call trap and lead to a up move happening in Nifty. Then we understood about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again, yesterday's high is something what you should wait to get taken out to participate on the long side. To Y band was truncated from 43,000 to 42,500. Bank of Baroda, HCL Tech were the stocks of the day, and yesterday PSUs and metals were in focus. And IT stocks, they witnessed a short build up yesterday. So yes, folks, thank you so much for joining me up till here. I hope I added some value to your trading session. So have a happy trading session ahead. Thank you so much. Be a data-driven trader. Bye-bye.